Hi guys, today I'm going to help you navigate the PBS website. So this is the homepage for the PBS website. So they have a couple different links that you guys can hit on. So they break it up into different categories. So they have social studies, English arts, science, the arts, mathematics. So if you're struggling with any of these topics, you can click on these links. Or I'm going to show you how to navigate the website a little bit of a different way. So we're going to go up to this top bar and hit the For Student tab. Once we hit the For Student, it's going to bring you into a new page. So on this page, you can see that it has a couple of their TV shows that they have, and then it has these 4 educational links to hit as well. So let's go ahead and hover over the math one, and we're going to press this Show Me. So once we press Show Me, it's going to launch you into another page. And on this page, we can actually navigate the website a couple different ways. So you can hit either the top bubbles up here to get your grade level, or we can go into this Filter By category and actually navigate the website through that. So let's go ahead and hit this grade drop-down menu, and let's hit 3rd grade. Okay. Once we hit that, it's going to bring us to 3rd grade material all on math. So on this page, we can see that it's broken up into a couple different categories. So we have the video category, we've got interactive, there's galleries, and then documents, and then there's web pages. So let's go ahead and scroll back up. We're actually going to limit this as well. So let's go to this Type drop-down menu, and let's say we only want to see videos on math. So we're going to hit this Video tab, and it's going to bring us just to the videos. So on this page, they have 381 videos, so there's a lot of content to go through. And then each video is going to be on a different subject, and they're all pretty short videos, so nothing too crazy. So like this first video is going to be properties of addition. So if we're learning something about addition in class, this could be a great video to help you learn more, or as a teacher, we can use this as a guide to actually help plan our lessons. So once we're here, it gives you a summary of what the video is going to be about, and then you can press play to see what the actual content of the video is. Let's go ahead and go back. So now that we know how to actually look up the videos, let's go ahead and hit the Type drop-down menu again, and let's hit Interactive. So on this interactive tool, this is great if you ever need homework help or just outside resources. Go ahead and look into these interactive sites. And so let's go ahead and hit this first one. So this one's going to help you with fractions. So fractions can be super tough. So actually having an interactive guide can be super helpful. So let's launch this program. It's going to bring us into a new tab. Once we're into this program, it gives you a prompt to do. And so it's wanting you to find 1/5. So to navigate this, you can actually press Help, and it'll teach you how to actually do the program. Or if you're just having a hard time with the prompt, you can view a hint, and it will help you solve the problem. And so to answer the questions, you're actually just going to drag it on to this little graph. So this can be really helpful if you're struggling with fractions at home, or if we have downtime in the classroom. This can help you actually visualize fractions. So let's go back to our main PBS page and scroll back. So that was the math side of it. If we keep hitting the back arrow, let's go navigate the science a little bit and see what that looks like. Oh, one more. So let's go hover over the math. So it's going to look very similar, or the science, it's going to look very similar to the math one. And let's go ahead and use that Filter By, and let's go choose a different grade level. So let's look at pre-K. Okay, once we're here, again, it gives you all of those subtypes, and it shows you different videos, different interactive lessons. So this one actually gives you a lesson plan and allows you to actually work inside the lesson. So this can be a helpful tool if you're struggling at home and need a little bit more teaching. These interactive lessons are great. But that is pretty much the website. It can be helpful in the classroom, but mostly as like an outside resource if you're struggling at home, understanding the material, or needing a little bit more assistance and needing those interactive guides to actually help you understand it. If you have any more questions, please contact me. But until then, thank you.